I've not been on 80 this morning. Been on 12, but not on 80.
Yeah, actually it's 40 meters is where I'm at. Yeah, it's pretty squirrely band this morning, and it's usually different. I can usually hear these guys real well, but this morning, man, I can just barely hear them.
Yeah, propagation is a weird thing. I had trouble first of the week hearing anything on 12. And then it just suddenly kind of opened up.
Now, 12 meters is kind of like 10 meters in a way, because it, it'll just, when it decides to open up, man, it's wide open, and then when it decides to shut down, you can't hear a thing, and it'll do it in a blink of an eye.
I hear you, man. Well, look, I was just throwing my call out, wanted to say good morning and see what was happening. Stand by a sec, please.